Lexus Smart Access enables keyless entry and ignition for convenient vehicle access without traditional keys. Key fobs contain RFID chips that communicate wirelessly with your vehicle's systems. Programming involves pairing the key fob's RFID chip with your car's engine control unit for secure communication. For pre-2023 models, DIY programming is often possible. Newer 2024 and later models require dealer tools due to enhanced security features. You'll need at least one working key, a fresh battery in the fob, and the system operates on 314 MHz frequency. For older models, turn the ignition on and off a specific number of times with an existing key to enter programming mode, then press buttons on the new fob. Be aware that incorrect procedures can lock out all keys, requiring professional assistance to resolve. DIY programming works well for Lexus models before 2023, but success rates drop for newer vehicles without specialized tools. While it saves money compared to dealer services, there are risks involved. Rising cyber threats are pushing Lexus toward more secure, dealer-controlled programming methods to prevent unauthorized access. The industry is moving towards smartphone-based keys and digital access systems. Biometrics may appear in high-end models, and by 2030, physical fobs could be phased out entirely. AI-driven diagnostics could allow vehicles to self-repair programming issues automatically. Always consult your vehicle's manual or a Lexus dealer to avoid damage, warranty issues, or security risks during programming.